Hello and welcome to another video session. Our website is www.binfxtrader.com. We want you to like our videos. We want you to subscribe to our channel, make comments, give us feedback, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your questions. Also hit the notification button at the bottom of the video so that when we send out more videos, you'll be the first to see what we have for you. Today we will be talking about how a completely new can use the MetaTrader 4 to trade Forex and then make profit. How a completely new trader, an inexperienced trader, how he or she can use a MT4 app on the mobile phone to trade Forex. Now, this on the screen we have the MetaTrader 4 application on my mobile phone, and I'm just going to show you how to maneuver the application. Once you have installed MT4 on your phone and you have the necessary details with your broker, you can easily use it to start to trade and make profits if you follow my instructions as I'm going to give them out. Right on my screen I have a demo account with my broker Xness, and then on the demo account you have quotes, and on the quote the first asset is Euro USD. You have Euro USD, you have GBP USD, that's cable. So on the quote you have the for Euro USD you have the figure here 1.12990 and then 1.13015. These two figures shows us the ask price and the bid price. Of course, the bid price is 1.12990, while the ask price is 1.13015 for Euro USD. So the bid price is the price when you want to buy Euro USD. You are going to buy in line with the broker at a lower price. You're not going to be allowed to buy at the higher price. The higher price is your asking price. The higher price for Euro USD, as we are looking on the screen, is 1.13015. So if you are going to buy, the broker Xness will allow you to buy at 1.12990, and if you are going to sell Euro USD, you'll be allowed to sell at 1.13015, so that the broker can make their spread. The spread is their own profit or their commission. So if you look at the let's look at symbol properties for Euro USD. I press down on USD and I can see this prompt. So I'll press on symbol properties. Okay. Now you can see spread floating, digits 5, stop levels 22, contract size 100,000, profit calculation Forex, margin calculation Forex. initial margin 100,000, margin net 0, pending orders GTC, yes, swap in points, swap long minus 3.946, swap short 0.893. Now, if you look at the left side, you see spread 25 for Euro USD. Market has closed. Today is Saturday, so you can't trade on weekends. But as regards this example, Euro USD spread as at close of market, and as at close of market, we have the spread is 25. For GBP USD, spread is 21. So the bid price for GBP USD is 1.26212, while the ask price is 1.26233. Now that is that for the quote. For the next is the charts. On the chart, you can see Euro USD charts, where price moves. Price is always on the move. It goes up, come down. I see it ticking down. Right now, market is closed, so we can't see price movement as at online real time. But when market opens on Sunday night, price will start to move. So this is the chart. This is the chart showing price, where price is as at market close on Friday night. And this is a 5-minute time frame for Euro USD. 5-minute time frame. So if I'm going to browse through all the time frames, I just tap on my screen and I can select any time frame. Like this is 15 minutes time frame. If I want to select 1 hour time frame, this is my 1 hour time frame. So that is that for charts. For trade, trade will show you the balance. Like for this demo account, my balance is $500. The equity is $500, and the free margin is $500. So also history shows today is 11th of July, shows I loaded $500 and my balance is 500. My deposit is 500. Okay, this is a demo account. Then for mailbox, you don't really need much. Shows when I registered, new account registration for the purpose of this exercise. Now here for news section will show you what is happening. News will tell you the economic release, what is going on as per the markets, the economy, politics, events, and global happenings, and these affect Forex. So the news section will continually update when market opens, but for now market is closed, and the latest news concerning USD JPY is no sign of a breakout just yet. If you tap on the news, you'll see the text, what you can read about USD JPY. So this is just the fundamental part of the MT4 app, telling you the events and happening in the market. Though this sometimes might go in your favor, no breakout just yet, but after the news, just after the news, a breakout might happen on USD JPY. But the news is to serve as a guide to your trading. Okay. Now the next section is the economic calendar. Messages, traders community, settings, journal, and then about. So Let's go back to quotes. Let's go back to Euro USD. Now, for a new trader, this tapping the top left section will take you to your client section. Now, the next button is the crosshair. Crosshair can help you if you place the crosshair on any of the candle bars on your screen, it will tell you, like the top side, the top part of the screen, you can see the quote under the Euro USD. Under this side, you can see the quotes. As the crosshair moves, it tells you the quotes of each candle bar. Then next to the crosshair at the top, you have the indicators. Like on my screen, I have the first indicator to be 200 simple moving average in blue. The next indicator is 21 simple moving average, orange color. The next indicator is one linear weight, one simple moving average, linear weight method, and the color is red. So for the indicator section, I can add as many indicators as possible. All I'll do is this the F plus button here. I'll tap on it and then start to add as many indicators that I want to add. Like for instance, let me add awesome oscillator. Awesome oscillator. Awesome oscillator is at the lower point here. Let me just tap on it and then add it to the charts. Okay, I have the awesome oscillator to further awesome oscillator indicator to further give me a guide on how to trade for the first time. Now that's that indicator section. Now beside the indicator section, we have the symbol. Show you all the symbols I have on the screen, on the app for now that I've added. So if I click on BTC USD, I think that works on the weekend. The market moves on weekend. Let's see what's happening on BTC. Okay, we can see BTC USD 5-minute time frame. Okay, we can see Bitcoin market is still on even during the weekend on Xness. Can still trade Bitcoin. Okay. Now that's that. So we have the crosshair. At the top of the screen, we have the crosshair. You have the indicators. You have the symbol, and then you have time frame. The next is time frame, periodicity, time frame. So from here I can select any time frame that I desire. Like I can select 1 hour time frame. I can select daily time frame, and I can select 1 minute time frame. Okay, so then the next is the new order button. You can see what's going on Bitcoin market. Bitcoin versus USD market still on during the weekends. So on the order, I press the top right button to allow me to make orders. So if I want to buy, I'll click the button at the lowest right corner here. This button, I'll click it if I want to buy Bitcoin. Okay, just bought Bitcoin. You can see this is my trade. So if I want to sell Bitcoin, this is a demo account. I go back to I'll press the new order button. So I'll look at the bottom left corner. You see your sell button here. click sell to sell Bitcoin. So I just bought and I just sold Bitcoin at the same time. You can see the Bitcoin BTC USD mini account sell at 0.10 lots. I sold at 9250.75. Also, the lower order, you have BTC USD mini account buy at 0.10 lot. I bought at 9263.06. So that's that for the new order. For the new order button. So it allows you to buy, sell. Then you can also set pending orders, like you can set a buy limit and set a sell limit. You can set a buy stop. You can set a sell stop. So if I'm going to set, okay, like for instance, price it on the 1 minute chart is falling. So if I want to place pending orders, I can either place a sell limit or a buy limit or a buy stop or a sell stop. So let me place a buy stop at 9259.3. Place a buy stop. This is my buy stop button. 9259.3 is a pending order. So when 9259, so when price goes up and gets to that level, to pick my pending order. Okay, it's not because of the spread, it's not allowing me to place that pending order. Okay, let me place the pending order at 9269.2. 9269.2. 9269.2. 9269.2. Okay, still not allowing me, but let's leave that to that. So you can place your pending order. Okay, let me go to 1 hour time frame. 9299.6. Let's place a pending order at 9299.6. 9299.6. Let's see if 9299.6. Okay, so I'll press the place button, and the order is placed. 9299.6. So I can take profit for this order. Let me set this my order, pending order. When market goes up, it will pick this buy stop. So I can set my place take profit as 9318.9. So I'll press down on this order and then click the modify order. So I have 9299. Let's just say 9299. Okay, 9318. Let's say 9318. So I press the modify order, and then you can see 9318. So when we go to the screen, you see the take profit TP, take profit order placed. We can also set the stop loss. Let's set our stop loss order for the pending order at 9277. 9277. So I press down on this my pending order. Press modify order 9277. 9277. Okay, so the order has been placed. So I have my take profit and my stop loss on my pending order. So if I want to delete all the orders, I just press down. Or like I want to delete this sell order, I press down on it. You can see close order, close by. If I want to close this sell order, press down on it, close order. So I'm going to press this close order button. Then I'll close at a loss of minus 0.97. Now the order is closed. So if I want to close this buy order as well, this running buy order, I press down on it and close and press on the close order. This order is also closed. Then my pending order, if I want to close this pending order, I press down on it and I click delete order. And it's asking me delete order BTC USD mini account buy stop. Yes, I want to delete it. Press down delete and it deletes the order. So that is that about placing the order, placing pending order, and then deleting or closing your orders. Now on the lowest corner you have the quotes. We have browsed through the quotes initially. Then on the lowest corner, the second, you have your chart. The second icon, you have your chart. And the third one, you have the trade. And the fourth one, you have all the history of what you have done. I placed the buy, I bought and I closed the buy order, the buy trade. I also sold, I closed the sell trade. And I placed the pending buy stop order. And I also deleted it. So the next button, you have the news that you can know what is happening, the events. We are on a weekend, no news for today. No news has dropped for today. Then the last button is about telling you about the terminal and everything. So that's that for the MT4 app. Now, how to trade Euro USD. This is a strategy that a new trader can use and still make profit. You're trading for the first time, you have your MT4 app installed, and then you are now familiar with the buttons on the app and you want to start to trade on demo account. So right now we have Euro USD. I will select the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame. Now this is a scalping strategy. So I have the 200 moving average, which is the blue line. 200 simple moving average. Let's go to indicators. 200 simple moving average. You have the 21 simple moving average as the orange line. Then you have the 1 linear weight simple moving average. 1 linear weight moving average as the red line. Then we added the awesome oscillator to just give us additional guide. So if we are going to trade Euro USD, the market is closed right now. We will allow on our main chart, we will allow the orange line. We will allow the orange line, which is our 21 moving average, to cross, like there's a cross here. We will allow the orange line to cross the blue line. Now, if there is a cross down, you look for sell. You look to go short. And if there is a cross up, you look to go long. Let's look for where it crossed up. Okay, it crossed up here. So you only place buy trade. Now, that's not just your guide. You allow price to also go above the orange line. I have the one linear weight moving average crossing above the blue line, and also bouncing on the yellow line here. So you allow price to bounce on the orange line for you to buy Euro USD. So once you have a cross, let's try and okay, let me just add a rectangle shape. You have a cross, like we have a cross here. Once you have a cross, like what we have here, and price start to bounce, then you can buy Euro USD on 5-minute time frame. Okay, so that's that for when to buy. Then when to sell, When it crosses down like we have here, get a rectangular shape. When it crosses down like we have here, and then price starts to bounce below the orange line, you can sell, place a sell order, a sell trade, and you can see what happens. Price starts to sell. So you allow the orange line to cross the blue line, either up or down. Like for instance, we have an upper is crossing from below and then crosses above. Okay, like let me just use the rectangular shape to the 5-minute time frame, and you have your cross. Just wait for the breakout of the cross. Okay, you can see the rectangular shape is showing the area of the consolidation. Then you have your breakout, and this is apparently a cross from below the blue line to the cross from below to the top. So that shows you are going to buy Euro USD, and your one linear way moving average is even ticking up. So just ride along and jump in. So also the awesome oscillator bars, they will be above the zero level to guide you. Not just the crossing alone, you have additional confirmation with your awesome oscillator. Let the bars be above the zero level. Serve as your guide. So the strategy is a simple one for new traders. Allow the orange line to cross the blue line, then take your trade. If you cross down, sell. If you cross up, buy. Now you can additionally add this as your confirmation that when the red line, the one linear weight, goes into, for this example, it has crossed down, but the one linear weight moving average entered into the space where you have the space between the orange line and the blue line. So you can allow the red linear weight moving average to cross down again before you attempt to sell, and you make some quick scalp. But whenever it crosses up, when the red line crosses up above the orange line and the orange line is still below the blue line, which is a bearish trend, you wait. So if you wait around here and you also allow it to cross down again, then you enter your sell trade. That will give you better trade opportunities. So it's not just about when it cross down, when the orange line cross down alone. You have to allow the red to also cross down on the orange line, like what you have around here. So if you can do that, you have better trade opportunities. Look at this example again. You allow the red line to, when the red line enters or crosses above the orange line, while the orange line is below the blue moving average, you wait till it crosses down again, like it's crossing down again here. Then you enter your sell trade. You know you are in a bearish trend. The orange line crossing below the blue line tells you have a bearish trend, but your entry will be when the red line also crosses down below the orange line for you to have your sell trade. But for right now, you can see at this particular point it crosses up, so you can wait. You wait around here. The red line has crossed above the orange line. You wait around there until it crosses down again. Then, like, look at this bearish bar, the 5-minute chart. So after this bearish bar, you can enter your sell trade and make some profit. Right here, crosses up, you can close your sell trade. But when it crosses down again, when the red line crosses down again, you can also jump back into the sell trade. So that's how you can scalp Euro USD and other Forex assets with the 21 and 200 simple moving average strategy. Look at the buy situation here. The orange line crossed above to tell you that the trend is now a bullish trend. But you take your trades when the red line also bounces above the orange line. But here you have like a consolidation here when price drops between consolidation zone. So if you are going to trade again, you allow the red line to jump above or cross above the orange line, while the orange line is above the blue line. Then you enter your buy trade and make your profit as a new trader. So that's that about this strategy. That's that about how to use the MT4 app. So you can use this on demo account on any assets. Can backtest it. Ensure that you understand the dynamics before you go live. So that's that for today. You can like our videos, make comments. If you have additional questions that you want to ask, you can put it below the video. We'll try as much as possible to give answers to your questions. Then we want you to like our video, we want you to subscribe to our channel, and then we want you to hit the notification button at the bottom so that you see more videos when we push them out. So thank you.